So today is a snow day. So I thought, what better way to spend a snow day than baking? I'm snowed in my house, so I can't go and get anything. So I'm kind of stuck baking with whatever I have. I see nothing wrong with that plan. So I'm thinking today, gingerbread cookies. I have cutters. I won't link any of them because they're all probably at least 10 years old. And to be honest, probably junk. So I'm gonna try to make gingerbread cookies for, hold on. Look at this, Krampus prosthetic I made. So let's try to make Krampus themed. Don't mind the sticks sticking out. A Krampus themed gingerbread cookies. Let's do it. And trying to do this recipe, I realized I'm very unprepared. So, I did not realize, because I've never made these before. Never did it. So, I did not realize that molasses was a key ingredient. Molasses. Guess who doesn't have molasses? This girl. So I had to find a recipe without molasses. And then when I found one, I found out I didn't have any of the other ingredients. This should be really fun. So let's just try it out and see what can go wrong. Anything probably. Let's get our ingredients, shall we? Butter. Brown sugar. Brown sugar. Need 2 eggs. I'm not gonna throw the eggs. Delicate. Delicate.
Damn, boy, he's thick, boy!
Ginger! I got ginger! Sweet! Anything else? Ground clove, don't got it. Allspice, don't got it. Flour. Should I put nutmeg in it if I don't have the other stuff? I'm gonna go with no. Don't know if that's a wise decision or not though. Okay, preheat oven to 350. Done. And 2 sheets with parchment paper. Oh, I always forget, is wax paper and parchment paper the same? These are my options, aluminum foil and wax paper. Don't know what that was. I need to zoom out. Look at me. Prepared. 2 sticks butter cut into small cubes. Important that the butter is cold so the dough doesn't need to be chilled. And I want everyone to know, I may look like an idiot during this video, but it's because I've never made this before. So I don't know how the recipe is. I'm sure this is probably the best option for my first YouTube video. We're starting off right, folks, but it will get better. It'll get better. Butter and brown sugar in the bowl of a stand mixer with a paddle attachment. For anyone who doesn't know, this is the paddle attachment, I think. Butter. My dog just growled. Are we being intruded? Are we being intruded? Possibly. We won't roll it out. How much brown sugar? 2.5 cups. 2.5 cups. 2.5 cups brown sugar. If anybody's gonna wonder, I got these measuring cups from Walmart. They're the Pioneer Woman set. I love her stuff. I love Pioneer Woman. Well, that's a lie. I love her products. You know what I mean? Like, her stuff is cute. I vibe with it. However, the Pioneer Woman seems nice. However, she kind of annoys me, so that's fine. I'll probably annoy a lot of people when I'm doing this, so to each their own. And we wait to mix. Another Pioneer Woman product. Sponsor me. Sponsor me, Pioneer Woman. However, she kind of annoys me, so. Alright, so this is what I have thus far. I really hope these turn out good.
Bitch, I'm a mother! No drama!
We add the eggs. Alright, now I need to add the spices. 1 tablespoon ginger. 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. All I can find is 1/2 tablespoon and 1/4 teaspoon. So we're gonna have to math. Alright, 1 tablespoon. Ginger. 2 of these. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and I got 1/4 teaspoon measuring. So I need to do 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Since I don't have the other seasoning, I'm wondering if I should add a little more cinnamon. 9. Alright, so it needs 4 cups of flour. So while the mixer mixes, I'm going to add 4 cups of flour. I'm going to have it on low speed so it doesn't go. And then just gonna line our sheets. Look at that, great job. None of that is covered. Amazing! Got my rolling pin. So I'm gonna put some flour in a cup. That way it'll be easy to access. Put some flour on your surface. Make sure it's clean. Mine's not, but don't listen to what I say. And get some and put it on your rolling pin. Alright, so I'm gonna start with 1/2 of the dough. It smells good. I don't have the best rolling pin in the world. I really need to get a nice one. This came from the Target dollar section, I believe. No, it came from Valentine's Day clearance at Target. That'll do it. Let's try this little, if I put it up against me, can you see it? The silver one. I'm gonna dip it in some flour so the dough hopefully doesn't stick to it. This is what I did. Just so the cookie cutter doesn't stick. So this is what we're looking like. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the setup itself, I mean, how cute and cozy. Oh, it's precious. This is how many cookies we ended up making. It's a good bit, actually. I'm not going to decorate all of those for the video because that's going to get very repetitive very quickly. These are the cookies I will be decorating today. I'm going to do 4 cookies, just regular decorated gingerbread cookies. That way, if anyone doesn't know, they can, you know, use this as a little inspiration. So I got some of the cookies that are pretty banged up. I love doing these type of videos because that's broken. But because of what we're doing, guess what? All these are perfect. So I got one regular looking zombie and then all these headless. This one's just kind of banged up. So it just goes to show, whether you're a good baker or not a good baker, we're going to make something work out of the good ones and the not so good ones. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed our baking today. I'm so out of frame. It's kind of ridiculous and it's kind of scary. I hope you enjoyed these cookies. I tried some, they're not that bad. So whether you like regular gingerbread cookies or zombie gingerbread cookies, let me know. Which one do you rather like? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you like more? All the things. This ankle is terrible. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.